Welcome to the first of 3 videos where we'll look at the most common signs of specific learning differences, starting with dyslexia. Now, before we begin, let's be clear. There is no single way that dyslexia looks. 2 people with dyslexia can have very different profiles and different strengths and challenges. There are many possible signs and traits linked to dyslexia, but here, we'll focus on the most important ones you're likely to see in your language classroom. So what is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a language-based difference in how the brain processes written and spoken information. It's not a problem with intelligence. In fact, many dyslexic learners are highly intelligent and creative, but they struggle with certain tasks that most people take for granted. Let's look at some of the key areas where dyslexia might show up in your classroom. Reading. Dyslexic students may read slowly or hesitate when reading aloud, skip words or lines without realizing, misread small words like the, is, or and, avoid reading activities altogether. Spelling and writing. They might spell the same word differently in the same sentence, confuse words that sound the same like right and right, miss out letters or put them in the wrong order, struggle with punctuation and sentence structure. Memory and processing speed. You might notice difficulties with remembering new vocabulary, following multi-step instructions, taking longer to respond to questions, forgetting things that were just explained. Speaking and listening. Dyslexia can also affect pronunciation of new words. Word retrieval. They know the word but can't quite say it. Understanding fast speech, especially in group conversations. Confidence and participation. Emotionally, dyslexic students often avoid reading aloud or writing in front of others, apologize a lot or laugh off mistakes, seem disengaged, not because they don't care, but because they're protecting themselves, believe they're not good at languages. But here's the important part. Many dyslexic students are great language learners if we give them the right support. They often have strong oral skills, big picture thinking, and creative ideas. They just need a different path to get there. In the next video, we'll explore ADHD, another condition that affects attention, behavior, and learning in very different ways. The Optimo project has been co-funded by the European Union.